Nominated for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, just all over the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold, and then what happened after?
I was sickened. I was sickened by the same. Holy shit.
Number one. We got more down here.
The blue one's a playlist.
This one? No.
And I think the one... Oh! Really? Oh! Wow!
Oh my god, what the heck happened?
I don't know. Brakes went somewhere.
Oh my god.
I don't feel the way night gave me life, baby. I can't explain it the way you.
Oh, shit.
Unfortunately, the camera was hauling very fragile equipment with him when this unfolded, causing a lot of items to be damaged. The silver lining is that no one was hurt or injured. I'm not sure who's to blame here because it is a zipper merge. I feel like if both drivers were more courteous and yielded properly to one another, this could have prevented the crash. This Chrysler driver now faces a multitude of charges of varying degrees. She drifted her way into a criminal record.
Driving me crazy. So I was looking online, and I can get one of these boards made tomorrow for $50, or I can get 5 of them made tomorrow for $50.
Unfortunately, this was a hit and run. The camera pursued the driver until he was able to get the license plates and forwarded the footage to the victim and the police.
Now once they're all off, you should be able to just stick a bar in here and make it loose.
Just as a PSA, if you ever find yourself servicing a car, putting in the wheel blocks to prevent a rollaway is probably a good idea.
Stop! Oh!
This oblivious driver does donuts in the middle of an intersection with oncoming traffic and gets sideswiped. It's people like these who deserve to get their licenses revoked. It's sad about the trees on the pole, and the damage should definitely be paid for, but this is still one of the best possible outcomes where no one was hurt and no other cars or people were hit. I'm glad no one was seriously hurt in this crash, but this impatience caused his car to be totaled. It suffice to say that the situational awareness has definitely left the chat.